Hiya! Today we're doing a dramatic cut crease eyeshadow look. I'm starting with ColourPop Super Shock Pressed Pigment in the shade Erotic on a fluffy eyeshadow brush from Morphe. I'm going to apply that to my crease and use windshield wiper motions and circular motions to blend it. And the same thing on the other side. And now I'm using a Sephora Professional flat liner brush number 16, picking up more of the shade Erotic and applying it to the lower lash line. And repeating that on the other side. I'm using the same fluffy Morphe eyeshadow brush I used earlier to buff out the lower lash line. And I'll be using ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Pacific as an eyeshadow. Since I'll be doing a cut crease, I start by lining my lash line. Then I blink and dip my head to get the line for the cut crease. I fill in everything from the upper line down to the lash line. And same thing on the other side. Now you could stop at this point, but I'm going to continue to use a black liner to define that cut crease. Make sure the color has completely dried before you move on. I'm going to use Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Liner. I'm going to line all of the orange and flick the outer corner up towards the tail of my brow. And all the way to the inner corner. And same thing on the other side. Any mistakes with the black eyeliner can be covered with the liquid lipstick. And now I'll pull that color out to the rest of the black line. And same thing on the other side. And some last minute touch-ups. And I'm going to use Milani's Stay Put waterproof eyeliner to line my waterline. Same thing on the other side. And then I'll hit my lashes with Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. I'm going to add Espoir lashes in the style Lavish. And I'll apply them with House of Lashes clear eyelash glue. I love these lashes. They're soft and fluffy and feel like real lashes. The lash band is thin and not too stiff like some lashes can be. I'm going to line my lips with ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Succulent. And then I use my finger to blend it out. And then I'll fill in my lips with ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Pacifica. And that's the look, a dramatic bright orange eye with a bright orange lip. And some silliness. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell button so you never miss a video.